Hey guys, it's Matt Smallbone from Forest River FR3. I want to show you guys how these dash buttons work and what they are used for. So coming up here, right next to our steering wheel there, you're going to see a map light. So that's super simple to operate off and on. That'll allow your overhead lighting to turn on. So if you needed to read a map, you can do that. Fog lights are going to be right next to it. Simple off and on as well. I'll go ahead and start the ignition so you can kind of see that indicator switch there. So that indicator switch will let you know when it is on. Coming next to it, you're going to have your mirror heat. So you do have heat in your mirrors. So if you are anywhere where it's below freezing and there's ice on those mirrors, this allows you to thaw them. Next to that, you're going to have your shade. Shade operation is super simple. Right now, we already have it all the way down, but this will allow you to bring it all the way up, just pressing a button. Very simple. It's going to be just that top button to bring it up, and then the bottom button to bring it down. I'll go ahead and bring it all the way up just so you guys can get an idea of what this looks like. And then coming down, if your ignition is turned on the on position, the shade will only come down so far. And that is due to, that's more of a sun visor then. It will not go past that setting. Next to that, you're going to have your radio kill switch here. So that's an off and on for your radio. And then you do have your living room speakers. So all FR3s are going to have speakers actually in the ceiling of the living room. So if you just want music to play up here, you can do that. But if you want music to play throughout the coach, you can actually turn that off and on. LED lights as well. There will be an indicator there if your LED lights are on. They are outside LED lights for safety. So very straightforward, very simple, but a lot of these have great applications.